In this video, we are going to discuss how order of reaction is negative. Let me take one example here. Now, this is a chemical reaction in which 2 moles of ozone converting into 3 moles of oxygen. Now, for this reaction, when you consider the mechanism, you are getting step number 1 and step number 2. The first step, ozone is equilibrium with oxygen plus a nascent oxygen, and the second step, oxygen, nascent oxygen reacting with ozone to give 2 moles of oxygen. Now they are saying experimentally this is the slow step here. So when you get the slow step, we can write the rate is equal to K into concentration of reactant terms. We have to take concentration of oxygen, this one. Next, what happened? Concentration of ozone here. Now you take this as the equation number 1. Okay, to find out the order of reaction, you take this as the equation number 1. Now from the first step, we are going to get the equilibrium. We can calculate the concentration of oxygen by using the first step. Let me see that one here. Now again I have written the reaction. Okay, now according to this, equilibrium rate constant is equal to concentration of products by concentration of reactant. Now this is the product, oxygen, nascent oxygen taken as product side, and this is the ozone, O3, taken as a reactant side here. Now based upon this, I want to, when you do the cross multiplication, we can calculate the concentration of oxygen. Now concentration of oxygen is equal to K in equilibrium constant K into O3, and this will come down here. We are going to get concentration of oxygen. Now substitute this concentration of oxygen in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? This is the equation number 1 here. Now substitute in the place of concentration of oxygen this value here. Substitute this value where? In this. Now we are going to get rate equal to, already you are having here K. Okay, I am writing that K here. Next, into. Now this value is equal to how much? Concentration of oxygen is equal to what here? K equilibrium into O3. Again already you are having one more O3 here, isn't it? So actually K into, isn't it, concentration of oxygen into O3. Now this value how much I am putting here? K into K equilibrium into O3. Already one O3 is there here. Okay, already one O3 is there here, divided by, now what you are getting? Concentration of oxygen. Now O3 into O3, you are going to get O3 whole square, isn't it? Now both you constant multiply with constant, you will get another constant K prime here. Okay, now divided by here what? Concentration of oxygen here. Now take this one as what? K. Now if this comes as a numerator, see what you are going to get, rate equal to K into concentration of O3 whole square divided by concentration of oxygen. Now if it come here, what happen? It becomes as O2 to the power of minus 1. Now with respect to this concentration of oxygen, it is having negative value. Order here with respect to O2, it is having minus 1. So in this way, you are going to get order is equal to negative also.